Good morning to all students. Today I discuss segment number 2, means that is the practical number, sorry, it is the practical number 5, that is the solution of system of equation. Okay, in the last class, in theory, we discussed that the system of the homogeneous equation and non-homogeneous equation. Okay, now I discuss about the system of homogeneous that equation, that is the linear equation. Okay, see here, first go to it is the lab maxima. And this is the where maxima combines. Okay. First, I typing. This is the another method to solving this system of linear equation. Okay. First, you go to a, that is the first line, that is the kill all. After the come outside, then dollar symbol. Only press the enter. After that second line, that is the take the enter. That is the cat star enter. Enter the okay. Enter the system of equation. Enter the system of equation. Enter the system of equation. After that, take the star, then that line. Okay, then go to the next line. That is the system of equation means we take three equations and three unknowns. Okay, first equation, that is the first line, that is equation of 1. That is you type EQ of 1. That is equation of 1. Then colon. Then what is the equation mean? First equation is x plus 2y plus 3z equal to 0. Okay, I write here x plus 2y. 2y means you take 2 star of y. Okay. Then plus 3z. 3 star of z. X plus 2y plus 3z. That is the first equation. That is equal to 0. Y means that is the homogeneous equation. That's why the RHS is 0. Okay. Next go to a second line. You press only enter. Then go to next line. Then equation 2. Equation 2 EQ of that 2. Means that is the equation 2. Then colon. Then what is the equation 2? That is 3x plus y plus 2z equal to 0. 3x, 3 star of x plus, that is the y plus, it equals 3x plus y plus 2z. 2 star of z. Okay, that equal to that 0. Next go to a third. Only you press enter. Then go to equation 3. EQ of, that is the equation 3. Then colon. Then what is the equation 3? 2x plus 3y plus z is equal to 0. 2x means 2 star of x. When we multiply with number and the number x means that is the we take star. 2x plus 3y. 3 star of y plus z equal to 0. Okay. See here, first I take the kill all, that is the heterophile, then dollar symbol, enter the system of equation. We are solving the system of homogeneous equation. Next you go to a first line, that is the first equation and second equation and third equation. Okay. Finally you take here the semicolon. Remember this one. Okay, this is 3 equation. After that you press shift enter. Okay, shift enter means here 3 equation coming, that is the first equation, second and third equation. Okay, next go to a line solve. This is the key command. Remember this one. When you are doing the system of linear equation means you take the key command, that is the line solve is there. Line solve of equation 1, comma equation 2 and equation 3 and coefficient x, y and z. Okay, I write here that is line solve. LINESOLVE, that is the line solve, then bracket of, then square bracket, that is equation 1 comma, then equation 2, then equation 3. Equation 2, that is equation 3. Okay. Equation 3. First you take LIN, lean solve, LIN, okay. LIN, SOLV, lean solve, then equation 1, equation 2, equation 3. After that, we take the coefficient, that is x, y, z. Okay, we take next one, another one square bracket, then x comma y comma z. X comma y comma then z. Okay, after that, remember this one. This is the, after that semicolon. Then you press only shift enter. See here. This is the equation is here. LIN SOLV, that is the key command of equation 1, equation 2, and equation 3, comma x, y, z. You remember this one? Don't forget here comma. Suppose we not put here comma means the wrong. This is the wrong mean. It is the wrong number of indicating means we missing here comma. Okay. Here shift enter. This is your result. Okay. X equal to 0, y is equal to 0, and z equal to 0. Once again see here. First you take the Kilal header file, and after that the enter the system of equation, that is the 3 equation and 3 unknowns is there. Okay, first equation, third equation, sorry, second and third equation. After that you take you using key commands 1, LIN, SOLV, lean solve, then equation 1, equation 2, and equation 3. After that the coefficient of x, okay, this is the equations. After that x, y, z. This is number of unknowns. Therefore, you finally you got the shift enter means the x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, and z equal to 0. This is your example 1. Okay. This is homogeneous equation. Next example. Next go to a second one. I take the new page. This is the new page. Okay. Next type the kill all. Same. It is heterophile. It is the kill all. Then dollar symbol. Okay. Only you press the enter. Then enter the system of equation. That is enter the system of equation. Enter the system of equation. After that the star and that line. Okay. Next we take 3 equations. Okay. That is equation 1. First take equation 1, then colon. Remember this one, equation 1, then colon. What is the first equation? That is x plus 3y plus 2z equal to 0. That is x plus 3y, 3 star of y. That is 3y. Okay. Then plus 2z, 2 star of z. X plus 3y plus 2z is equal to 0. This is the homogeneous equation. That's why we are adjusted. You take the 0. Okay. Next only you press the enter. Sorry. Enter. Next go to a second equation. That is equation of 2. Then colon. What is the equation 2 mean? That is the x plus lambda y plus 3z equal to 0. It is x plus lambda y. You take here lambda symbol means this side. This is the lambda. Okay. Lambda of y. Y means lambda star of y. That is lambda y plus 3z. 3 star of z. Okay. Next that equal to 0. Semicolon. Only you press the enter. That is the next right. You third equation. That is equation of 3. Then colon. That is what is the equation of 3 mean? That is the x plus 5y plus 4z equal to 0. X then plus 5 star of y plus that is 4z. 4 star of z. X plus 5y plus 4z is equal to 0. This is third equation. Then semicolon. After that, you press shift enter. Okay, shift enter means this is the output. Next, you go to A. That is the first coefficient. Okay, writing the coefficient of matrix A. I take here. writing the coefficient of matrix A. Matrix that capital A means we are taking the A matrix. See here, you remove this percentage. Okay. First take the three equations. After that, the writing the coefficient of matrix A. Okay. That is the Cayley-Hamilton theorem. Okay. Then A is equal to, next go to enter. Only press enter. What is the A? A, then colon. Okay. That is coefficient matrix. The coefficient means we type only COEF. That is coefficient. That is the key comments of coefficient matrix COEF MATRIX. That is coefficient matrix. Remember this one, A colon of coefficient matrix. That is coefficient matrix. After that, take this bracket, then equation 1, equation 2, and equation 3. Then take the square bracket, then equation 1. Equation 1, comma, equation 2, comma. You take small. Okay. Equation 1, comma, equation 2, then comma, equation 3. Okay, first take the equation. After that, next go to outside. After that, take comma. Okay, then take the square bracket. Then the x, y, z. X, then y, then z. Okay. A colon of coefficient matrix, that is the equation 1, equation 2, equation 3, comma, x, comma, y, comma, z. Okay. Then you put the semicolon. After that, the shift enter. See here. That is some mistake here. A colon of COEF, that is coefficient. COEF, that MATRIX, then equation 2, equation 3, then comma, then XYZ. This is your result. See here, I take the coefficient matrix means the XYZ coefficient means 1, 3, 2. That is the first equation. Here 1 is there, 3 is there, and 2 is there. You know that one. Okay. In theoretical also to did this one. That is the 1, lambda, and 3, and 1, 5, 4. Okay. This is the coefficient matrix of that matrix A. Next, go to a determinant. Determinant means you take, that is the DET. That is the key comments of determinant. DET, then colon of determinant. You write determinant. That is DET colon of determinant of A. Okay. You take the capital A, then come outside, then semicolon. After that, the shift enter. See here, that is the determinant of A means that is the 4 lambda plus 2 into 5. That is the 10. Okay, minus 2 lambda minus 18. Okay. Next, go to a solve. SOLVE means solution, that is the solve. That solve bracket of what is the solving mean? We take determinant is equal to 0. That is DET is equal to 0. You take here DET is equal to 0, comma, lambda. Okay, we are finding the lambda value also. That's why we take determinant is equal to 0, comma, lambda. That is the solution of that DET is equal to 0. Then you take semicolon. Then shift enter. Okay, shift enter means that is the lambda value. That is lambda is equal to 4. You know how to finding the determinant mean? Theoretically, you know that one. Determinant finally find lambda value, that is lambda equal to 4. In practically, you only take the solve, then bracket of determinant is equal to 0, comma, lambda. Okay. lambda is equal to 4. After that, for this value of the lambda is eigen in non-zero solution, that is lambda is equal to 4. Okay. Final answer. Next, go to a next line, that is slash, then star. You remove that percentage. Okay. Slash star for this value of lambda. For this value of lambda, you take your lambda symbol. For this value of lambda, the given system lambda, the given system has non-zero solution. Non-zero solution. It is the non-zero solution. After that, take the star, then that clash. Okay. Next, go to only you press the enter. Then lambda is equal to 4. You know that one lambda value. That's why you write the lambda is equal to 4. Take lambda, then equal to, that is 4. Then dollar symbol. Next, rewriting the equation in which the present. Rewriting the equation means rewriting the equation, that is rewrite means, that is slash next line, that is the, sorry, that is, we go to next line, that is a class, then star. Okay, rewriting the equation. That is the rewriting the equation in which lambda is present. In which lambda is present. That is, then take star, then class. Okay, only you press enter, then you write the equation 2. That is the equation 2, then colon. What is the equation 2 mean? You write here equation 2 lambda is there. That's why x plus lambda y plus 3z equal to 0. X plus lambda y. You take lambda. Okay. Then y means you take star. Lambda y plus next third one, that is 3z. 3 star of z. That is 3z is equal to, that is 0. Then take semicolon. Then you type shift enter. Okay, see here, that is equation 2 colon x plus lambda y plus 3z equal to 0. Okay, then you take here, that is the, what is the value of lambda? That is 4. See here, after that you go to, you know that one, that is the first, next go to a final answer, that is Linsol, Linsolve, that is the Linsol, then bracket of, what is the square bracket of, okay, equation 1, comma, equation 2, comma, equation 3. Next go to, come outside, take another square bracket, then the coefficient of that x, y, z is there. That's why x, comma, y, comma, z. X, comma, y, comma, that is z. After that, see here, in both equation and the unknown mean, you take here, remember this one, this is the comma. Remember this one, don't forget that one. Okay, equation 1, equation 2, equation 3, comma, next x, y, and z. Okay, then semicolon. Finally, you take semicolon, then you press shift enter. Shift enter means that is x equal to, that is the percentage of R1, then y is equal to, that is the minus percentage of R1, then that is equal to, that is the percentage of R1. Here, the dependent equation, that is the CD of 3. Information given here. First, I explain it once again. 1 minute. This is the first one. It is the fifth practical. First one, first you take the kilol and enter the system of equation. You take three equation, then go to a, that is the line solve, means you take equation 1, equation 2, equation 3, then comma of x comma y comma z. After that you press the shift enter, then this result x equal to 0, y is equal to 0 and z equal to 0. Okay, this is the first example. Next go to a second example. Now see here, this is the second example. First you go to a, first one take the kilol and enter the system of equation, then equation 3 equation, then the equation. After that you press shift enter, then the writing the coefficient of matrix means coefficient of matrix of A. Means A matrix coefficient means we take the 1, 3, 2, then 1 lambda of 3, then 1, 5, 4. This is the equation of coefficient. Next go to a determinant. Okay, how to finding the theoretically means this type only. Okay, next the determinant, you know that one, theoretically determinant, how to finding that one. Determinant means we take here plus minus plus, after that the cross multiplication. Okay, see here in practically the determinant of A, that is the, after that you press the shift enter, that is 4 lambda plus 2 into 5 minus lambda minus 18. This is determinant. Then go to a solve. Solution means that is the solve of, then determinant of 0 comma lambda means you finding the lambda value. Then the press the shift enter here. Shift enter means that is lambda is equal to 4. This is the lambda value. Next go to, that is the finding lambda means we take here lambda is second equation is there. That's why we take here equation 2 equal to x plus, what is the value of lambda? That is 4. That's why x plus 4y plus 3z is equal to 0. We write here x, equation 2 colon of x plus 4 star of y plus 3 star of z equal to 0. After that you press the shift enter. Next you finally write the last line, that is the lin solve means linear solution. Remember this one, lin solve is a key command of linear solution. Okay, that is LINSOLVE, lin solve, that is the equation 1, equation 2, equation 3, comma x comma y comma z. Then you press the shift enter. Okay, shift enter means that is the x. What is the x value? That is the percentage of r of 1, percentage of minus r of 1, z equal to this one. Okay, this is the output. Next go to a next one example. This is the third example. Okay, you only practice 2 example only. Okay, first one is that is the x value, y value and z value is 0, 0, 0. Then this is the second example. Okay, you'll here finding, first you find the determinant, after that the solution of lambda, then go to a linear solution, that is the lin solve. Okay, that is the your second experiment. Okay, that is the lab experiment number 5. Then that is the example of 2. Next class, I will discuss non-homogeneous linear equation. This is the homogeneous system of homogeneous linear equation. This one. Next, sixth experiment is the system of non-homogeneous linear equation. That is the sixth experiment. This is the fifth experiment. Okay. Thank you for all. Next class, I will discuss the non-homogeneous linear equation. Thank you.